Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chandrasekhar signing in from the Trade Empire. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the post-market analysis of Bank Nifty dated 5th October 2021. So on this day, I have taken 5 trades, out of which 2 hit stop loss, 1 trade entry didn't made, and another 2 hit my target. So let us analyze on what time I took the trade and what is the reason that I have taken those trades. So first trade I taken at 9:26 a.m. So my trade was on call side. I have updated two strike prices. One is 37,500 CE and another one is 37,300 PE. So at 9:26, why I decided to take this trade is because the market has created a support at this point. From here, the price has got reversed and it created a strong bullish candle. The second candle is a strong bullish candle. So what I thought is the momentum seems to be very much strong, and I thought this trend will continue till here to fill this gap. Since the market has opened gap down, thought I predicted that market will touch this gap. What happened was market, the trend seems to be very much weak and it came back. Actually, I missed to book my minimum profit with just 5 points because my stop loss was very much minimum. So even I trade on basis of risk and reward, so I couldn't able to book profit. I just missed profit just by 5 points. Okay, again at 9:50 a.m. here on this candle, on the basis of this candle, I took a trade on 37,300 PE. My stop loss was around 25 points. Again, my stop loss hit, and even I missed my target booking minimum profit just by 5 points. Why I took the trade is because market has created a resistance here, and it seems to and the trend seems to be sideways. So I thought the market at least will come till here, but since the major support was lying here, the market didn't break this region, so my stop loss got hit. So again 10:35, again at 10:35, yeah, here on this candle, here on this candle I bought 37,300 PE above 180, and my stop loss was very much minimum, maybe around 10 to 15 points. So it came with this trade gave me 30 points. It came till here. Market seems to break this support line. So I booked minimum profit with 50% of my holdings and kept keeping stop loss at here at this point. So I was trading with 4 lots. I booked 2 lots here, and my and again uh, why I booked here is because here lies a major support. So with the rest of the 2 lots, I was holding, keeping stop loss to cost. So but at this point, I exited those 2 lots also. So again, I waited till 11:30. Again, I gave a trade on 37,500 CE. If the trend on upside was strong, it could have breached this level, and first it would have touched here, and again it would have reached here. But the trend seems to be very much weak. The market got reversed here, and again it came back to the support region. So I waited again. I waited till 12:40. So 12:40. So here there was a resistance. So I waited till here. So when uh, at 12:40, when I got a confirmation that the market will go on upside, I updated a call to buy 37,500 CE above 247. So even I took a trade and it made till 390 here. See, since morning I was waiting to uh, cross this level. Since morning I was waiting for the breakout and it should touch this level, but it made me wait very long till 12:40. I waited at 12:40. broke this resistance and it touched here, and again it reached here. Though I lost in two trades, first trade I lost around 25 points, second trade also I lost around 25 points, but my third trade and fifth trade overall gave me around 150 points profit. Thank you for watching.